Hello everyone, I'm Omar Amin from Group 9 and I will present to you our pitching video. So let's get into it. So, as you already know, our project idea is a public speaking training program that helps the user to improve his presentation skills without actually presenting in real life. So the user will present in a virtual reality program. So first of all, the software that we have used to achieve that is Unity, since our project is about virtual reality and Unity allows you to make a 3D program. And since our project is based on virtual reality, the device that we have used is Oculus Quest Pro. So the Oculus Quest Pro VR, we have used it to run our program on it, and it's an independent VR, so we can run our program on it without actually connecting it to the PC or to Unity. We have chosen this VR specifically because it has an eye gaze sensor, which we have used in our program to track where the user is looking at while presenting, and then give him scores and hints regarding that. The second device that we have used is Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 in order to get the heart rate from the user and use it to change the hardness level of the avatars based on how stressed the user is. These are some screenshots from our program. So when the user enters the presentation scene, he will see this menu. He can either start the presentation, upload the slides that he wants to present, or start the scene if you already finished all of this, and like prepare for a new session. So after the user presses start presentation button, he will go to this menu. He can set the time and set the number of avatars he want and then submit it. And as you see on the left, these are the slides that the user have uploaded in our program. So this is the timer that the user will see that he set it already in the last menu, and these are the slide pages that the slides that the user will present. um, this is the region that the user will look at. Like as you see, there are some red dots. It measures where the user have looked and for how long, and then we give him a score regarding that. Of course, while he's presenting, these dots will not be visible for him. It will be visible when he presses the end presentation button and see the results. This is the results that he will get after he ends his presentation. The time that he have used, the hand movement score, was he actually moving his hands and interacting with the avatars, the eye tracking score, as we talked about it, the red dots where he looked at and for how long, his average heart rate from the watch, and how stressed he was based on his heart rate. This is a stress bar for it. If it's red, it means he was so stressed, and so on. And then the overall performance based on all of these scores. And then he will get a hints menu that will tell him what he did wrong and what he can improve, so he can read it and use these hints in the next session to get a better score. Thank you for listening.